Surviving in the wild isn't just about skills, it's about having the right tools. In this video, we'll discuss essential bushcraft gear that maximizes your chances of survival. Whether you're caught in a sudden emergency or planning a bushcraft adventure, these tools will help you stay safe, secure, and self-sufficient. Let's dive into the must-have items for survival. Every survivalist knows that a knife is indispensable. A full-tang, carbon steel knife should be at the top of your list. This tool is your go-to for shelter building, carving wood, processing food, and even self-defense. If you can only carry one item, make it a reliable knife. It's worth investing time in learning basic knife handling skills to ensure you're ready for any task. Fire is essential for warmth, cooking, and protection. A ferro rod is a robust fire starter that works even when wet, unlike matches or lighters. The key is practice.